Okay guys, for today's
What's up? I am Fad. Today's video, I'm still in the beach. So I have some pets, but they are dying because I forgot to put water in them. So if I don't put water, they're going to.
what kind of friends? Show them first.
Okay.
Where are they? Okay, you gotta put water.
Yeah, I need water.
What kind of water? Be specific.
Salty water.
Okay, ocean water
Yeah, it's like.
or seaside water.
Oh,
Okay.
we need to go deeper.
Oh, don't go any deeper na. Oh, ayun na, nabasa na naman yung ano mo.
Okay lang. Gagawin naman ito mamaya.
Okay. So there's I am guys putting water for his friends to live, right?
There's water in my.
Oh,
my clothes.
that's what I'm talking about. No, that's dirty water.
It's okay.
I think that's enough.
The water's not full yet. I got water. That's so much water.
Come on. Maybe there's a shark there. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
You
Go.
too.
Okay, let's chill, bro. Chill, bro.
I need to wipe my clothes.
Okay. Okay.
Bye guys. In the next video.
No, later ka mag-bye. You can climb. Oh. Oh, step by the step. Para sa success.
I got water. Mama!
Oh,
Nakabasa! Dumi!
say goodbye to your vlog.
Bye-bye! See you next video.